Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix out of memory error in the Chrome browser. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. In the Windows search bar right here, type sysdm.cpl. Sysdm.cpl control panel item, simply click on that. Now here in the System Properties window, you'll find different tabs: Computer Name tab, Hardware tab, Advanced tab, System Protection tab, and the Remote tab. Go to the Advanced tab, which is the third tab. Then here you'll find Performance, Visual Effects, Processor Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Virtual Memory. Click on Settings, and you'll find the Performance Options window. So it has three tabs: Visual Effects, Advanced, and the Data Execution Prevention. Click on the Advanced. Then here you'll find Virtual Memory. Click on the Change button. You'll find this button automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Do not check this box. Then click on the Custom Size and type here 1024, also for the maximum size, because 1 gigabytes is equal to 1000 MB. So we're just going to type in here 1024. So the minimum allowed is 16 MB and we are more or greater than that. Recommended is 1875 MB. It is a lesser than what is recommended, and that is a good thing because what is recommended is 1875 and we are lesser than that. And the currently allocated is 2944 MB. So you just need to follow as it is and then click on OK. Click on apply, click on OK, and finally click on OK. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.